Moving with that same information, we now have that the area of a segment, that is the next item we have at that. The area of what? This segment. Now, how do we get the area? We start by saying that the area of, let's start with minor segments. Okay? So, the area to calculate minor segments is equal to, how do we get minor segments? First of all, it is equal to what? The sector or area sector, or sector of an area sector minus area what? Triangle. Area triangle. Okay? So what does it mean? Area sector is, the sector of an area is theta over 260 times pi r squared minus 1 over 2 theta r what squared. Let me, I think I'm faster. 1 over 260 r squared sine what? Sine theta. Alright. So now, this is if they are operating on degree, okay? On degree. But what if on radian? If this area is on radian, my area of what? Of minor segment, AMS, is equal to, will now be equal to what? This becomes what? Theta r squared. Okay? Because of this is theta, so it becomes 1 over theta r squared minus 1 over r squared sine what? Theta. If I factorize, I have 1 over 2 r squared out into what? Theta minus what? Sine theta. This is the formula to calculate AMX, area of minor segments, if they are what? If they are what? In radian. Okay? And then how about perimeter? Perimeter of that same segment. Perimeter of what? Of a segment, we have perimeter is equal to 2 r what? L. 2r plus what? Plus L. What is the L? L is the length of the arc. Okay? The L there is the length of the what? Arc. The length of the arc. Okay? So which is what? 2r plus what? Theta over 360 to pi r. Now remember, if we still want to operate this in a radian, this is on degree now. Okay? This is on degree. If we want to place it on radian, it becomes 2r plus what? Plus theta r. So that will give us what? 2r into what? 1 plus what? Theta. 2r into what? 1 plus what? Theta. So this is what? The perimeter of a given segment. You know, these things are not too difficult. It's just about understanding the foundation of the formula, and the rest becomes what? History. Alright. If you want to calculate the measure, this is minor. You want to calculate the measure. How do you do that? Let's go. That will not be measure segment is equal to pi r squared minus what? Minor. Recall that pi r squared is the total what? Calculation of a what? Area of what? A cycle. Okay? So that if the total cycle, this is the cycle, and here has been calculated. This is a segment. This is the minor what? Minor segment. A minor segment is equal to, by radian, let's summarize it. By radian, it is equal to what? 2r squared into what? Into theta minus sine what? Sine theta. Let's assume that this is segment, minor segment in radian. Okay? This is the formula. So this whole thing is the minor segment. Then the major segment, the whole cycle here is what? Pi r squared. So this remaining part here will now be what? Pi r squared minus what? 2r squared in brackets theta minus what? Sine theta. Please take note of this. So that means major segment ms is equal to what? Pi. You can factorize this on one side, and then we have r squared into pi minus what? Minus theta plus what? Sine what? Theta. That is all. So we can put 2 here. 2 here, and also put 2 here. So do have a wonderful time as we keep solving the main thing. Let's solve some questions relating to this. All right.